August is National Wellness Month. There is a lot of focus on your physical, your mental, and your emotional health. And lifestyle advisor Don McCarthy is here with products that promote self-care. And we all could use a little of that these days.
Yeah, so first we're going to start off with Pioneer Pastures.
Okay.
So this makes clean, lactose-free A2 milk and protein shakes.
Oh.
I'm going to have you pour this one right here. This is this one. So this is going to give you better hydration, maximum nutrition, and it's seed and oil free. And did you know, Amy, that actually chocolate milk drinking after a post-workout is actually really good for you? It's going to repair your muscles and it's going to hydrate your body. The milk has 50% less sugar than regular milk. Again, it is lactose free. It's still very high in calcium, but I love that it's low in sugar. I got these at Target. You can get them at Amazon. And starting in September, you will be able to check these out at Sprouts. So check them out. And again, the A2 is just easier to digest.
Yes, so, which is good to have a protein shake with the A2.
Exactly. Next is my Bluelene. I am so excited for this product. This is FIT+FIRM, and this was actually created by a human anti-aging scientist, Dr. Cao, and it's the only brand out there with patented Methylene Blue. So she developed this FIT+FIRM to basically reduce and make those visible
I think I might as well put it on both hands.
A lot of people right now, due to all the GLPs and stuff like that, are having that face where they're getting that sunken in look. They're calling it Ozempic Face, that skin deflation. So basically this is it's got a powerful blend of methylene blue, which doubles your collagen, your elastin. It's got vitamin C, ceramides in it. And it's going to restore that fitness, that volume, that hydration, that compromised stress skin that we have. It's on sale right now. Again, I love this. I was waiting for this for a while, that it's been in stuff. And even if you're just losing weight or rapid weight loss, you want something to give you that hydration. As we age, we lose enough already. I mean, we're excited to lose weight, and now we have to worry about our skin deflating more.
Well, I was just hoping that it would help if I was just aging. Maybe not losing weight,
but do you see how much
aging.
the hydration on your hands? It's a real
It really does feel great.
And then next, I didn't want to forget the kids in the family. So this is Chloe's New Start by award-winning author K.M. Selvage. And what's really nice about this is Chloe is starting new school, just like so many of you out there are right now. But she doesn't want to. Her brother kind of gets in trouble, and she doesn't want to end up in his shadow. So it's more than just a story. I know that you have two sons, but it covers subjects like mental health, learning to be your own person, having people accept you for who you are. And the author uses characters like these cats to really kind of get this through to kids. It has a cute little plushie as well. But I love this, and it's a really good way. It's on Amazon, under $11, and with kids starting back to school. I mean, kids too, not just us for health and wellness. Kids need to do that. Next, I have Regenicare. This is for you, me, your dad, even your son. These are delicious, mango-flavored, convenient, travel-friendly. Basically, these little packets are going to support joints, your mobility, and your flexibility. It's for all ages and lifestyles out there. Like I said, this is something that my dad absolutely loves. I take one of these a day. Isn't it really good?
Yeah,
and it's science-backed. Yeah, it's science-backed, and it's got Univestin in it, and it's by Univera. And you're just going to add water. They're so easy to go. I have these I'm traveling a lot right now. So we really have to support our joint health. Everyone has active lifestyles. Your son plays basketball. Your dad, as he ages, my dad, we really need to support that. These are easy, on the go. And again, you can just get these on Amazon. That's where I pick mine up. And then lastly, this is DrinkMate. And I'm excited about this because I don't have a lot of counter space. So this is the DrinkMate Spritzer. I'm even going to allow you to pick up this box. I normally don't like Amy to pick up anything because I end up making things fall. But this is lightweight, it's cordless, and it's a handheld beverage carbonator. So this can basically carbonate any beverage. It can carbonate and sparkle any of your juices, cocktails, water, sports drinks, anything that you want on the go. This is great if you're maybe heading out to go tailgating. Your son, you just moved him into his dorm room in case he wants anything like that. They're really easy to take with you places, picnics. Bubbles, why do people care about that? It helps make you feel a little bit fuller when you're out and about, but these are anytime, anywhere. I love the DrinkMate Spritzer. It's a really good on the go to help your health journey.
Can I put bubbles in my joint health?
You absolutely can if you wanted to sparkle it, because a lot of people like that carbonation in their drink.
Well, and I'm glad you didn't say I was aging. You said my
No,
dad was aging,
your dad. Well, my dad too. We both have dads that are getting older, and this joint support is right on point. I'm telling you, it's delicious.
Thanks so much. And you can find more information about all the items that you've just seen and, of course, about Don McCarthy by just going to kcalnews.com and click